Hello, good evening. Let's wait for Nick and Ken. Elwood. How are you? Okay. Hello. Hi. Good evening. Hello, Tom. Hello, Ken. Nice to see you again. How are you today, Tom?
I'm good.
Oh, how's your school today?
Mamaya,
How's your school today, dear?
it's good.
Wow. Do you have a lot of homeworks?
No.
Oh, no, not really. Okay. Did you have dinner already? Bibi, naghahanap ng kapatid. Tingnan mo.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. How about Ken? Hello, Ken. How are you today, Ken? Ken,
What?
how are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, how was your school today?
Yes. Right.
Wow, that's good. Did you have dinner already?
Yes.
Oh, what did you have for dinner?
I have a meat of a pig and
Okay.
rice.
Wow, that's yummy. Okay, there is Nick, Ken, Lisa, and Boy. What is the meaning of that? Sorry. What's the meaning of that, Ken?
What?
What did you write? Wow, I like your haircut. You look fresh and daisy. Hello, hello, Nick. Nice to see you again, Nick.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, did you have fun yesterday because we don't have class? Did you take a rest early? Nick?
Yes.
All right. So tomorrow we will have another exam. So we have reading exam today, okay? So it will not take too long, okay? Reading and writing. Oh, did we have this already? Tom, what do you think? Did we have this already?
Yes.
Oh my God, what happened to the book? This one? Okay, wait. Yes, did we have this already? Are you sure, Tom?
Yes.
Oh my God, what happened to the book? Oh my God. We are now 32. How about 33? Okay, I will check first, dear students, because it's almost the same last time. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, what happened? Okay, wait. I think there's some problem. Mhm. Okay, wait, students.
Cây phượng nở hoa, một sắc đỏ chói chang giữa đất trời ngoài Anh. Rau xanh mơn mởn, đang ngày thu hoạch, và rau thơm, rau muống, bắp cải, mấy thứ ở trong nhà bếp mà ai cũng đã từng ăn đôi lần. Lang thang giữa buổi trưa hè, tìm lại một chút bình yên, một chút kỷ niệm và gửi gắm
Okay,
lại tâm
this
tình.
one.
Mời cô bác cùng đồng hành trong chuyến đi ngày hôm nay nhé.
Tập trung học thì làm gì mày? Đấy,
Hả?
không có học đủ là coi.
Thì bây giờ buổi trước nhưng mà trời mát dữ lắm. Anh sẽ đến ở chỗ
At the hospital. Okay,
Nói nghe không?
let's have this. At the
Dẹp
hospital.
nó mày.
Để em quay con đường này cho cô chú anh chị mình cùng là coi ha. Bà con người ta trồng cải với
Yep.
trồng bắp cải rồi mía rồi ở phía xa như là hành hay gì đó cả nhà. Em thấy người ta trồng cái gì đó.
Okay, let's have this. Dear students, what is the title, Ken? What is the title, Ken? Ken.
Turn off time.
Mhm.
Please. At the hospital.
At the hospital. All right, let's learn vocabularies. Repeat after me. Doctor.
Doctor.
Okay, I can't hear you, Ken and Tom. Hospital. Hospital.
Hospital.
Hospital.
Hospital.
Nurse. Nurse.
Sir.
Nurse.
Nurse.
Patient. Patient.
Patient.
Patient. Oh, you can see. Okay, sorry. Sorry, Tom. Okay, I will reshare again. Can you see now, Tom?
Yes.
Patient.
Patient.
Sickness.
Sickness.
Ambulance.
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 Visit.
Present.
Visit.
Present.
Recover. Illness. All right. Now, here are the health problems. Please read aloud, Tom. One by one, Tom. A cold.
A fever, a
Sore
throat,
throat.
a toothache, an earache, a gland.
Okay, class, this is not a soft drink. This is a water. Okay. Now, okay, you today. Oh, what happened to you, Nick? Do you have a cramp? Oh, what did you do? What did you do, dear? What did you do? Why you have a cramp? What did you do, dear?
I beat it.
You have a taekwondo karate or taekwondo today? Okay, Nick, please read aloud one by one. Oh my God, you fall. Be careful, because when I fall, I got a fractured bone in the slide. So be careful, okay? I got a broken bone when I fall in a slide. So be careful, Ken, okay? You need to go to doctor for a checkup, okay? Now, Nick, please read aloud, Nick. A cold.
A cold, a cough, a fever, a sore throat,
Sore throat.
A headache, a stomachache, a toothache, an earache,
Oh.
a
Okay, very good. Okay, how about Ken? Please read aloud, Ken.
what?
Please read aloud.
A cold, cows, fever, a sun count, a head chest, a stomach chest, a tooth touches, an ear chest, a cam.
Okay, a cramp.
A cramp.
Sore throat.
Sorcerer.
Stomach ache.
Stomachache.
Toothache.
Toothache.
Earache.
Earache.
Yes. Okay, very good. Now look at the picture and name the things you can see. Okay, no nurse, doctor. Now, anything else? Okay, what is that, Nick? Just only one, Nick, Tom, and Ken. Okay, let's start with Ken. What name the things you can see? Oh, that is what happened to my leg. That is what happened to my leg, Nick. So be careful, okay? All right. Ken, what do you see, Ken? How about
I see a woman is reading a book.
reading a book? Okay. How about Tom? Pausa mo to. Baby, basa ba to? Basa ka pausa. How about Tom? What else do you see?
I see a boy is breaking his hand.
Okay, has a broken hand. Is that correct? How about Nick? What else do you see? This is a water, students. Water. This is not a cola. I just put water.
The girl is
Ano ba? Lalaba ka. Bebe. Okay, what is it? Okay, there's a broken leg. Okay, this one, broken leg.
Broken leg.
Temperature. Okay, correct. Broken hands. Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Now, please answer this. Okay, use this kind of, okay, this one. This is my favorite, just like this. Okay, try to make a font like this so it's clear. Okay, now, number one, I will assign number one. Number
Me.
one, Nick,
Number
Tom,
two,
Ken, me, Nick, and Tom. All right, let's check your answer. Ken, please answer now, Ken. Ken, dear. Nick, please answer now, students. Ken. Ken,
what?
answer it now.
Em biểu đơn.
Nó xanh xanh hồng hồng tí tí nhỏ lắm.
Em biểu lên. Gì đó
Để mình tè lên đó ở ngoài cái lũ nè chồng hàng của con mình gia đổ ở đây lấy tú thầy em ngồi phim mới lấy tú nhìn.
Okay, done. Ken, are you done, Ken?
Nên
Nick, number 1, please read aloud. Number 1.
nghĩ đâu chồng ở đây tức là nhà của bà con người ta thảo luận không này
Wow, nghiệp tiết à.
chỗ đúng ra này nên là không thấy ai được chứ là
One bag here. Vâng.
em nói được mình cái số rất là đẹp luôn cái rượu rau ngọt đẹp lắm của quý vị nhưng mà khoan hẳn là trong cái núi rau này là người sẽ đi qua chiêm ngưỡng cái sắc đẹp của hàng phượng sau đó này bông phượng đỏ ra mùi nước hình như cái này là hẹ này nhìn xa thì tưởng là hành nhưng mà đi qua cái đây thì mới biết nó là hẹ cũng là giống loại của hành thôi ở bên đó chắc là cũng trồng và ở dưới mà phải không đó giờ này người ta cứ nước thì
Okay, done.
không biết con cá của lại đây luôn nha.
Nick, please answer number 1. Someone. What's the answer, Nick?
Chim hót đúng rồi em có thấy mấy trái đủ mọi việc để đi qua đây
Can you see students?
để quần đi ngay đó quần lúc nào cũng có cái không chứ.
All right, let's answer now. Okay, Nick. Someone will drive you really quickly to this place. So you are suddenly very ill. Okay, this is the example. When you have one of these, you might have a cough on your cough and your nose goes red. Okay, what's the answer, Nick? A cold. Okay, the answer is number 1 is hospital. Number 2, Tom.
Number 2, you go to see this person if one of your teeth is
Oh my God. No, Ken. Okay.
You go to see this person if one of you teeth break off hurts badly. It's
Okay.
a dentist.
Okay, dentist. Oh no, Ken. Ken. Okay. Next, Ken. If you are...
If you feel sick, the doctor might give you some from this
No,
To-
Tom. Help you feel better.
help
Okay.
your feel better.
Okay, what is it? What is the doctor usually give to you to help you feel better? A candy? What's the answer, Ken? Candy? Medicine. Next, you can buy something here For a headache, this place sells things like soap, shampoo, and combs. This is the chemist. Number 5, Tom.
Number 5, these people look after anyone who has to stay in hospital because they are ill with an ambulance.
All right.
Eyes on the
Nurses.
face.
Okay, next, number 6. Nick. This is often Nick. Nick there.
Yes.
Number 6.
It often white with a blue light on its roof, and you can travel quickly to hospital in it. It ambulance.
Okay. Ambulance. Okay, here are the flyer's tip. Please read aloud, Tom.
Flyers tips. In listening past 1, you will hear 2 of these pieces of information to identify each person. The information might be about what the person is wearing, what they look like, what they are going, or where they are in the picture.
Okay, so what is it? In a listening part 1, you will hear 2 or 3 pieces of information to identify each person. The information might be about the person who is wearing that they look like, what they're doing, or where they are in the picture. All right? Now listen and draw. Listen and draw the lines, okay? Let's start with Tom, Ken, Nick, Tom, Ken, and Nick. Okay, which one? Who is Michael? William is the, okay, is the patient who experienced stomach ache. Now, please listen carefully, students. Are you ready?
Yes.
33B.
Okay,
At
listen
the hospital.
carefully, Ken.
Listen and look. There is one example.
The hospital is full of people today. I know lots of their names.
Do you?
Yes. Can you see that boy with the stomachache?
The boy with his mother?
Yes. That's William. I give him piano lessons.
Poor boy. Look at his green face.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
Look at that woman.
Which one?
Over there. She's working on the computer.
Oh, you mean the nurse with the blonde hair? That's Sarah.
She looks busy.
What's happened to Mark?
I don't know. Which person is he?
The boy who's hurt his arm. Look, he's just had an X-ray, I think.
Oh, yes. Where's his tennis racket?
I'm not sure, but he can't play tennis today. And there's poor Katie. She broke her leg when she fell off her bicycle yesterday.
Where was she cycling?
Down a hill. It's difficult for her to go up and down steps now, and it's very sore.
Well, she can sit and read. I prefer e-books. Do you?
Not always.
What's the matter with that girl over there?
Do you mean the girl with the nurse?
No, the girl who's crying. The one in a skirt, not trousers.
Oh, that's Betty. I don't know. But you're right. She doesn't look very pleased. And another nurse is taking Mary's temperature.
The girl by the door?
Yes. She had a really sore ear. She's touching it with her hand. Look.
Oh, I get that sometimes, but it always gets better again quickly.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. Ken, what's the answer? Who is Mark?
Teacher, I don't listen, Michael.
Okay, you don't listen carefully. Let's play again.
33B. At the hospital. Listen and look. There is one example.
The hospital is full of people today. I know lots of their names.
Do you?
Yes. Can you see that boy with the stomach ache?
The boy with his mother?
Yes. That's William. I give him piano lessons.
Poor boy. Look at his green face.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
Look at that woman.
Which one?
Over there. She's working on the computer.
Oh, you mean the nurse with the blonde hair? That's Sarah.
She looks busy.
What's happened to Mark?
I don't know. Which person is he?
The boy who's hurt his arm. Look, he's just had an X-ray, I think.
Oh, yes. Where's his tennis racket?
I'm not sure. But he can't play tennis today. And there's poor Katie. She broke her leg when she fell off her bicycle yesterday.
Where was she cycling?
Down a hill. It's difficult for her to go up and down steps now, and it's very sore.
Well, she can sit and read. I prefer e-books. Do you?
Not always.
What's the matter with that girl over there?
Do you mean the girl with the nurse?
No, the girl who's crying. The one in a skirt, not trousers.
Oh, that's Betty. I don't know. But you're right. She doesn't look very pleased. And another nurse is taking Mary's temperature.
The girl by the door?
Yes. She had a really sore ear. She's touching it with her hand. Look.
Oh, I get that sometimes, but it always gets better again quickly.
Oh, that's good.
Where is Michael, Tom? Where is Michael?
I don't listen, Michael.
Okay, you can find. Okay, let's see it. Mark is the patient. This is the answer, Ken. Kathy, Nick is this one. Correct. Okay, Betty. Correct. Sarah and Mary. Okay, listen again. You'll hear two things to describe Sarah. Two things describe Kathy. What are the information? Okay, please describe Nick about Kathy. What describe about Kathy? Nick, what is Kathy, Nick?
Kathy broken broke leg.
Okay, has a broken leg. How about Sarah? Can? Sarah is
Quá lớn rồi các bạn.
Sarah can.
Yeah.
Quá lớn rồi.
Sarah, please describe Sarah. Okay, what happened to Sarah? Ken?
What?
What happened to Sarah, Ken?
Sarah is
Okay, the one is crying. What happened to her?
is very hurt.
Okay, Sarah is hurt. What happened to her? What kind of injury? What kind of injury? Ken?
What?
Did you listen? Who knows about Sarah? Tom, Nick. Who knows about Sarah? Tom, Nick. Sarah has a fever or headache.
No.
Okay, Sarah has a headache. Okay, this one, there are 6 more words in the box. Can you find them? Number 1, Ken, Nick, Tom, me, Ken, and Nick. Okay, please answer now, students. Number 1, Ken. What else? What else, dear? There are 6. So don't worry, find another one. Find another one.
Tommy.
Okay, there's another one, Ken, so you can find another one. What else there? Okay, don't do that, Ken. Hey, Tom, Nick. Are you done, Tom and Nick? Anything